Hello everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you my easy everyday mom makeup routine. I don't know about you, but I always feel more confident when I'm wearing makeup, even if it's just a little bit. Now that I'm a mom, my time to get ready in the morning is limited. This makeup routine takes me about 7 to 8 minutes in the morning and has everything that you could want, such as concealer, powder, bronzer, blush, highlight, and mascara. So go ahead and apply your skincare and let's get started. I'm starting with my Dewy and Luminous primer from Wet n Wild. I'm applying it to the parts of my face I like to highlight, and I'm going in with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer over my T-zone, which is the area I have large pores. I'm going in with concealer. I have stopped using foundation because honestly, I do not have time to apply a full face of foundation every morning. I am simply concealing the areas of my face I need a little bit more coverage, such as under my eyes, on my forehead, around my nose, and the sides of my mouth. And I'm blending with my Morphe blending sponge. I'm using the first two colors in my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette to set the concealer under my eyes. I used my Becca Hydra Mist setting powder to set the concealer on my forehead, nose, and the sides of my mouth. I'm using my Physicians Formula powder foundation to give me a little extra coverage, color, and to set the rest of the liquid makeup. Taking my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, I will use this light contour shade to give my face a little bit of definition. I will contour the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my chin, and the sides of my forehead. Using a big fluffy brush, I will just blend in the contour to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm taking my ColourPop blush in between the sheets on a foundation brush by Color FX. I'm applying this blush to the apples of my cheeks. And I blend it out using my big fluffy brush. Going in with my Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette and her Mood Light brush, I am applying highlight to the tops of my cheekbones, the sides of my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Taking my Universal Brow Pencil by Winky Lux, I'm brushing out my brows and applying the color. I don't do anything fancy, I just fill in what I already have for brows and continue blending with the spoolie. To keep my brow hairs in place, I apply the e.l.f. Clear Brow and Lash Mascara. I recently got a lash lift and tint treatment and I am so in love, but to give my lashes a little extra pop, I curl my lashes for about 15 seconds each with my Tweezerman eyelash curler. And I apply a light coat of mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Going back in with my Jaclyn Hill highlighter palette, I'm applying a slight highlight to my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. To finish off the look, I go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spray all over my face. And there you have it, my quick, everyday, easy mom makeup. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.